skincare lovers, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys this amazing strong whitening lotion that you can use to whitening up your skin, and this is affordable. Yes, I know most of you will be happy because recently I've been sharing videos on how to lightening your skin, treat your skin, hot chocolate, caramel skin. I even saw comment like make video for whitening. So I am here, but please, if you're whitening your skin, do it with sense. Old age deal. If today is your first time of stopping by, hi, my name is Fresh Beauty World. Welcome back to my channel. Please go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notification so you'll be the first to be notified each time we upload a video. And if you're returning subscribers, thank you so much for the support. God bless you. So this lotion has a lot of advantage and disadvantage, but the good thing here is that the advantage is more than the disadvantage. Of course, whatever that has advantage has disadvantage, and you can escape from the disadvantage if you use this with your sense. Like, you're listening to what I said now, so watch this video today very end. So I'll go ahead and list the advantage of this lotion. Then if you can consider this lotion, like you can consider trying this lotion, you know that this is what I'm expecting from it. So the number one advantage, like benefit of this lotion, is that this lotion contains vitamin C, which is beneficial to the skin. Yes, if your product, the product you're using, contains enough vitamin C, the product is not going to damage your skin. The product is going to make your skin very soft and smooth. Okay, so it's very nice to use a product that contains vitamin C, enough vitamin C. Then the second benefit of this lotion is that this lotion helps to whitening of the skin. Of course, this is what you guys want to hear. Yes, this particular one, this is the one you guys want to hear. It helps to whitening of the skin, not lightening. So if you're a hot chocolate skin, you're a caramel skin, you want to tone, you want to brighten up your skin, this lotion is not for you. This is not a lightening lotion, this is a whitening lotion. Okay, this is a whitening lotion. So if you don't want to whitening, you don't want to bleach your skin, this lotion is not for you. Third benefit of this lotion is that this lotion removes dark patches from your skin, dark spots, brown spots. Why? Because it lightening up the skin, and again it contains vitamin C. The fourth benefit of this lotion is that this lotion is a moisturizer. This is going to help to moisturize your skin, but not like normal moisturizer. So if you are using this lotion because it helps moisturize the skin, that does not mean you should get yourself a moisturizer or you'll be using it morning, afternoon and night. Okay, moisturizer is a moisturizer which is needed in any skin routine, and the whitening product is a whitening product. So please, if you're using this, it means that you want to whiten up your skin, and for you to get the glowing healthy skin, you need to add moisturizer. Okay, so the reason why I said this helps to moisturize the skin is because some lotions, when you apply it on your skin, it's just going to dry off immediately. Nobody will even notice that you apply anything on your skin. Your skin is going to be dry. So this one, when you apply it, your skin is not going to dry. Like, it's going to moisturize your skin, but not like normal moisturizer. So get yourself a moisturizer. Fifth benefit of this lotion is that this lotion contains sunscreen to protect the skin from harmful sun effects. Okay, because this lotion contains sunscreen does not mean you should use it morning, afternoon and night. This lotion is meant to use only at night, and use your moisturizer in the morning if you don't want Fanta and Coke. Okay, most especially if you're a dark person and you're whitening up your skin, which is not advisable to start off with this. Okay, but in case, get yourself a moisturizer. Okay, so please, because this contains sunscreen does not mean you should use this on your face. You should apply this on your face. This product is a bleaching product. For the fact that the product is going to give you 2 to 3 shades, is a bleaching product. Okay, and your face is more sensitive, and this product contains antioxidant and bleaching ingredients, so it's not meant for your face. If you love this brand enough, then you can get their face cream. They have face cream, lotion and serum. And for most of you that will be like, I cannot use lotion without pro-mixing it, The repercussion, they bad though. But if you insist, instead of getting another serum to promix it, this product has a serum. You can use this serum, but I don't see any need of you promixing it. But if you have a very stubborn skin and you have a party to attend, you want to achieve the result in 5 days, you can try it. But I'm not advising you to do that. Just use the lotion like that. It's a whitening lotion. Even while using this lotion, I advise you get yourself a treatment scrub and a treatment soap. Okay, let the lotion do the whitening, while the treatment soap and scrub help to prevent all these reactions that is going to occur if you just focus on whitening. Now, the disadvantage of this lotion, one, is that if you abuse this lotion, you use it morning, afternoon, night, it's going to result skin irritation. Okay, and if you did not stop it, it's going to result discoloration. Some people will be like, this product is whitening me, but it's giving me small white patches and small knuckles, so I don't want to stop it. I just want something that will clear the knuckles and the white patches, and I still love the product. Some people know they fear God. You still love the product that is giving you white patches. How do you want to? Like, you are treating malaria and you are lying down outside where the mosquito will eat the living hell out from you. And you are saying that, in fact, I don't even know. I don't just know. I don't know how some people, they reason. But if you are to get the best result from this, please use it only at night to avoid skin irritation and discoloration. Okay? This is a bleaching product. Like I said, for the fact the product is going to give you 2 to 3 shades, it's a bleaching product. So that is why I said earlier, the disadvantage that you can escape from it if you do it with your right sense. So get a scrub that is a treatment, soap that is a treatment, apply it on your body, allow it to stay for at least 10 minutes, 20 minutes, depending how stubborn your skin is, and this lotion is going to work perfectly fine on you. And when you think you have achieved the desired result you want, then stop it. Okay, some people just want to white past their future. If you have achieved the 2 shade, 3 shade you want, just stop it and concentrate on moisturizer. But some people will not hear. You see somebody using whitening product for good 3-4 years, maybe because it's affordable, and again, yes, it's whitening me, yet you still have knuckles, knuckle full everywhere. So this lotion is very good. The disadvantage is just 2, which is skin discoloration and skin irritation. And if you use this with your right sense, it's not going to occur. And if you're using moisturizer, you're not going to experience anything like that. Okay, use this only at night. Don't use on your face. If you're a hot chocolate skin, to my own advice, don't use this lotion. This is a whitening lotion only if you want to be using it maybe 2 times in a week. Okay, so it's just your choice, but this is a strong whitening lotion that helps whitening your skin, treat dark spots, dark patches, and brown spots, and moisturize your skin. It contains sunscreen. So this is good to go. Good luck. So this is the end of this video. Please kindly subscribe, smash the like button, share with your friends and family. See you guys in my next video. Bye.